simple present, simple continuous, etc. Here we will discuss tenses, its rule and types. Tenses rules are used to form English sentences. These tenses are present tense, past tense, and future tense. The past refer to the things that are happened before now. Present tense refer to the things happening now, and future tense refer to the things that are going to happen after now. Basically, they represent the aspects of time based on the current time. Tenses rules assist on with seeing how to accurately utilize the various tenses in a sentence without committing a linguistic error, and furthermore by effectively demonstrating when an occasion or activity has happened. The idea of tense in English is a technique that we use to allude uh, to time, past, present, and future. Numerous dialects utilize tense to discuss time. Different dialects have no understanding of tense by any means. Obviously, they can use in a case discuss time utilizing various techniques. Types of tenses and their subcategories. As we have already discussed in the introduction, there are primarily three types of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. These three tenses are again subcategories based on continuous and complete tenses of action: simple or indefinite tense, continuous tense, perfect continuous tense. Here we will discuss in detail simple tense. It is utilized for ongoing or routine activities in the present tense. Activity is which is over in the past tense, and activity to occur in the future tense. Continuous tense to the activity is fragmented or consistent or ongoing. Perfect tense, the activity is finished, completed, or wonderful regarding a specific purpose of time. Perfect continuous tense, the activity is going or persistently throughout an extensive stretch of time and is yet to be done. Past tense, an event that has happened before now, represented by past tense. For example, he played football last week. In this sentence, the event already happens here. Past tense rules, tenses rules examples. Past tense, past simple tense example rules the second form of verb only. For example, he ran away. Here is second form is used: run, ran. Second is past continuous or progressive tense. Was verb plus ing. She was going shopping. Past perfect rules: had plus third form of verb. Summer had left the room. And the last is past perfect continuous tense: had been or verb plus ing. Manish had been preparing for this dance for 2 weeks. Past tense examples: Jack attended the program, Reena was waiting for my friend, Ahana was happy to hear the news, Amitabh was sick, Nikki started reading after the teacher had entered the room, Mohan was shopping in the market, etc. Present tense. Present tense refer to the time when the events are occurring now. It can be characterized as an articulation for an action that is right now in real life or in is routinely performed. It is utilized for an express that by and large exists in a present continuous. Tenses, rules, and examples. Tenses number one: simple or indefinite tense. Rules: verb plus SRES. Hina sings a songs. Number second, present continuous or progressive tense. Rules is MR plus verb plus ing. Aslam is singing a song. Number third, present perfect tense. Had or have plus third form of verb. Akram has sung a song. Number last, present perfect continuous tense. has or have plus been plus verb plus ing. Aslam has been singing a song. Present tenses examples like Johnny has given the book to Ellen. The sci-fi movie is fantastic. Padma is going to the library. Children love to play football. The lyrics narrates realistic songs. People are shopping in the market. The right is writing romantic novels. Are you coming to school tomorrow? We have shopped in the market. And the last types of tense is future tense. The event that are going to have happened is defined by future tense. The move that are to make place later on a fall in the class of things to come tense. Tenses, rules and examples. Number first, simple tense, future simple tense, shall or will plus verb. Aslam will visit park tomorrow. Number second, future continuous or progressive tense. Shall, will, plus be, plus verb, plus ing. Aslam shall be visiting park tomorrow. Number third, perfect, future perfect tense. Shall, will, plus have, plus past participle. Aslam shall have visited park by tomorrow. And the number last is future perfect continuous tense, shall or will plus have been plus verb plus ing. Aslam will have been visiting park tomorrow. Here the, some example of future tenses examples. Anaya will assist you in the case. Bunty will do the assignment. Students will play football in the field. Rubina will join us in the meeting. We will be shopping in the market this Sunday. Julie will be traveling around the world in May. Akasha will be helping him to do the task. Akasha will have shopped at the market before we come. Rohini will have joined us at the meeting before you reach. He will have been shopping in the market before we come. Naina will have been helping him to do the task before the class starts. Here is a related question about these tenses like what are standard tenses in the grammar? Tenses assume an urgent part of the English language. It indicates the time activity happens regardless of whether at some point previously, in the present, or will take sooner or later. Tense can be upheld by changing the spelling of an action or word. Second, what are the three primary tenses in English? The three primary tenses is present tense, past tense, and future tense, as we have already discussed. Number third, what are the 12 different types of tenses? The 12 different types of tenses, as we have already discussed: past, present tense, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous, past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future simple, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. Give an example of a simple present tense like I play basketball every day. What is the rule of past tense? Past simple definite second form of verb only. Past continuous was verb plus ing. Past perfect had plus third form of verb. Past perfect continuous had been plus verb plus ing.